Welcome back to Hands Up. As you can see, Lakshmi Rai has been praying because she has no clue what's there in these sheets here, because we're going to play Framed. Welcome to Framed, and the first round is called Hands Up If You Have, which means that if you have done these things, you raise your hands up.
I have.
What? Scared boochies. Go ahead.
So let's start. One,
Yeah.
hidden affair from the media.
Hidden affairs of the media.
Yeah. Lied to your parents.
That question is for her?
Both of you. Both of you.
Sometimes.
Very much. I don't know.
Never had ugly friends.
No, I did.
You had ugly friends.
Friends are not ugly.
That's a trick question. He was very smart. You just called your friends ugly. You have to go and face them. Just remember.
Oh, dare
Lakshmi Rai,
you.
if you are her friends, she just said that she has ugly friends. Had a fling and not regretted it.
Yeah, it's okay. I have the proof.
Okay. Hated the film industry.
Never.
Never. Had feelings for your co-star. Idukku mattum if you don't raise your hand. Done anything impulsively and regretted it.
And I never regret.
Yes, I have.
What was that?
Well, it's
Coming on the show. Dhoni.
That happened in segment 1, you know.
Thought you could get any girl or guy you want. Very good. I like the spirit.
Daredevils. Very much.
Now we're going to play the more dangerous round, which is called Truth or Dare. So I'm going to spin the gun here. Whoever it faces takes the first question.
Take the first question, please, gentlemen.
Question, please.
The question to me is, who do you want the first question to be to? And I think it has to be to Lakshmi Rai, because
See,
we made a
ladies
deal
first
here.
in all manners,
Totally.
but not in this.
What is that?
Truth or Dare.
Truth.
First question for you. When you check out a guy, what do you actually check out? List in the order of your list in
I know the
the
answer.
order of your preference.
How do you know my answer? Come on. He's going to answer to me.
Why should I answer? That's a question for you.
How would
I
you
said
know?
I know the answer.
How would
I
you know?
said
You
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
tell
When
the
you're
answer.
turning back, she might have just taken a look at you know what.
No. First thing, you want in list
When you check out a guy, what do you look for a guy?
his body.
Which part specifically?
See, I personally think a guy should look like
Children,
a macho.
Go steady, go. Answer.
Macho, good
Macho.
body,
Good.
with muscular body.
Ah,
Muscular body, but not too like bodybuilder types, but yes, with a lean frame and a broad shoulder,
Okay.
and a
Brad
good
Pitt.
abs,
Okay.
and a strong legs.
That's candid enough. Now it's your turn to
You
spin.
opened everything, no big deal.
Oh, it's not on me now.
Yeah. Ah, super.
Somebody next to me.
Now you got it.
She got you, fair and square.
He got
Truth or
it.
dare?
So like dare.
Truth.
No,
Why no?
Okay.
you can't do that.
I'll be
try.
let him come.
Come on, you're not a
to
girl,
dare. The next
man.
time it faces me, I'll ask him to dare.
Being a guy, he cannot dare.
Tell us in detail all about your first kiss. Who, what, when, why, and how.
And that has to be truth, since you've chosen truth.
Seriously, I don't remember. That's the thing. You know?
Because this has done so
Papa,
many.
You don't remember them. Is it
first
because
kiss.
there are many?
Oh
or
my
because
God.
it's-
First case is like I really don't remember. I don't know.
Don't
I don't know
remember,
when
this is an
it
easy way
happened.
to excuse.
Should be my maybe
And-
my first crush when I was in my 8th standard or 9th
Oh my
standard or
God.
something.
8th standard.
At so young age, he lost his
The
virginity.
girl was in 8th standard or you were in 8th standard? Unmaiye sollupa.
The girl was in 9th standard. The girl
Oh,
was in
so
8th
he
standard.
was
I was in.
dating a girl.
In the 8th standard, which is why
No,
it was
no,
easy
who
for
was
him.
much
See, it
more
was all
older to him.
puppy love or infatuation or something like
Puppy
that.
love?
I think
Nowadays, puppies
now it's
also
doggy.
very...
Doggy
stuff,
style.
you know.
Yeah.
Look at
So
it.
I think,
at such a
that
young
should have
age,
been my
and that too
first.
those generation.
I think it was on the car park.
Car park,
I think driving at that point of time.
drive-in.
I think so. Yeah.
Think so? No, he's.
That was
doing
first time. No, that was first time when I learned how to drive a car. It was my Maruti 800. I think that was.
Along with kissing.
He learned to drive a car and a girl crazy.
Ah,
Both
And
at
a
the
girl
same time.
crazy, both.
I don't know where the girl is right now.
Okay.
but I know the school. She was in Church Park.
She was your first crush? Your first
Yeah.
Can we know who she was?
Still, she's my crush because I missed her. Anyways, it's all the game, you know.
Let's hope she watches the show and decides that no matter what, anyone
I-
else
I
in this
should-
world but you. A guy who kisses and
Anyway.
goes and tells it on TV. You think she'll give her any hope after this?
I never
I
told her
hope
name.
she
Hope she
knows
gets.
that he's a star now.
Yeah, no, not last. God knows.
Yeah.
Thank goodness. Okay, let me.
Yes.
Yeah,
That came to you again.
That's
Truth or
cheating.
dare?
No,
It was
truth
like-
or
It came to you. It came to you. Truth or dare?
Now I got to say.
I got to shake what?
Truth or dare?
Being a guy.
No, it's
that
not.
you're a
What is
man.
there for a guy to
Prove
be
that
there?
you're a man.
Truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Okay,
Soon.
dare.
Freeze for 1 whole minute, which means for 1 whole minute you cannot move,
You-
and Lakshmi is going to try and distract him. You cannot move. You can't smile. You can't
One
smile.
whole minute.
1 whole minute,
Alright,
like the
timing starts
BGP
now?
man. Yeah. Wait. 3, 2, 1, start. You can't close your eyes.
You never told me. What is this? What is this? You never told me. Did you tell me that?
Okay, freeze.
Freeze.
You mean she is capable of pouring it, you know. I'm seriously telling you, she's capable of pouring it. But actually, I win this question because these guys lost it. I closed my eyes and I was just waiting. What is this crap? Nonsense.
You
Okay,
know
your
Boys
turn
சொல்றாங்கப்பா.
again.
இங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் போய் சொல்றாங்கப்பா.
Your turn to turn. At least he lost. He agreed he lost.
Eh,
No. Do it fair. Do it fair. Do it fair. Yeah. Okay. Now it's fair.
Anyway, it's going to come
No,
that way,
that's
right?
your direction. Truth or dare, Lakshmi?
Come on. Don't be a spoil sport.
Truth.
Which is more difficult as an actress? Kissing an attractive co-star or acting like you're in love with a not so attractive co-star?
Acting with a love who is not so attractive with a co-star.
I think I can accept that point.
Oh, it's really, it just gets into my nose.
Are you thinking of what I'm thinking?
Huh?
Are you thinking of what I'm
You
thinking?
got that right.
You're talking about Daniel Balaji. Everybody knows what you're thinking about.
No comments. I'm not getting into this. Let it not be.
I thank whoever the director of the Srinath for not giving me any romance scene.
I don't want.
That's why I boldly did this character in Muthirai.
Okay. That's quite candid. I don't think anyone's been more candid on the show than you, Lakshmi. Your time to turn. Spin the gun. That's you again. Fortune and luck both favors the brave. Truth or dare?
There, this time.
Dare. this
Wow.
time. I like that spirit. Do a moonwalk or a breakdance? Moonwalk. You know moonwalk, Michael Jackson's.
Oh, how do I do that?
Or breakdance, one of the two. Breakdance, you know.
Brain dance.
Keep
Okay,
all.
hold the
Keep
camera.
all.
Like,
Yeah, and he's going to give you company.
Why should I give a company?
yeah.
Yeah,
You do
yeah.
a moonwalk, I'll do
Come
a
on.
break dance.
Keep all the things I said because anything will.
You mean the break dance like
lot of things could
Srishant?
break here.
You mean the break dance like Srishant?
Yeah, you could do that.
Oh, you want me to be like Baji slapping her or what?
Basically, we just follow what she's going to do.
Do it.
Break dance, provided you're not going to break anything, let's just keep it safe here. And Lakshmi, we can start your dance now.
Break dance, I don't know, I really...
Okay. Okay.
That was really very.
Wow, I never knew how to do that. Thanks.
I also don't know, I just took a try.
Okay. I thought breakdance was about breaking. Start while you're dancing. Your time to spin.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Lakshmi, the question for you is 3 Tamil actresses who are sexier than you and 3 who you are sexier than.
That's quite tough.
Lakshmi Rai, Lakshmi Rai, Lakshmi Rai.
Nice.
Lakshmi Rai, Lakshmi Rai.
No, no, we're not going to make it that
Who
easy.
is sexier than me? Simran?
Wow, fantastic.
Awesome. Flat on screen.
Rekha. Hindi Rekha.
You don't like Sridevi and all, huh?
Sridevi, yeah.
Sridevi, yes.
But she's both her.
3 actresses you are sexier than. She's a
This is a very fantastic question, you know.
She's going to say, she's going to
sexier
randomly
than
Trisha, Nayantara, Asin.
Nayantara?
So you say you look sexier than them. You look
Nayantara.
sexier than Nayantara.
Which is true.
Yeah,
Okay, then.
Yeah, okay. Then
Wow.
that's what I think so. Trisha
Trisha,
and Tamanna.
Tamanna. We have to give her a prize for, being the most bravest, most candid personality on
Got
Hands Up
guts.
in all the 8 episodes we've had till now. Seriously, thank you so much, Lakshmi, for coming
My
to this
pleasure.
show. Thank you so much, Nitin. Before
Thanks a
you
lot.
guys go, we have something
But
to give
I
you.
really enjoyed the show.
Yeah, I was
especially
there with
you.
her. Please don't forget that. She enjoys it whenever I'm
Before
there.
you
Then on
go,
the show, he wants to
there's
take the
something
credit.
we want to give you as well. We want to give you
Shake hands.
3-month membership to the spa here at Influence. They have a beautiful spa. So you get 1 day in a month free. You can do what you want at the spa. So yeah, thank you so much.
Can we make it today, both of us? All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for
they
this.
have other business to
fantastic.
attend to. So
I'll send Manjari Fadnis.
you guys come back next week.
Hi, the contest questions is, what was my character name in Irumbukote Murthu? And the winners are going to get a fantastic prizes. If it's a female, she's going to date with Nitin Satya. And if it's a male, also he's going to date with Nitin Satya. And please send your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Oranjage in Monday mattu illa. In manasunda. That was a line from Irumbukote Murthu Singam, not to Nitin Satya.
She likes lots of things like this. என்ன மச்சான் கலெக்ட் பண்ணியா?
எது? உனக்காக இதெல்லாம் வேற பண்ணுமா நானு?
நம்பர் வாங்கியா இல்லையா?
நம்பரா? இருக்கு.